What's the meaning of chair? Chair. Chair.
Chair. Chair. A chair is a piece of furniture designed for a person to sit on. It typically consists of a backrest, seat, and 4 legs. Chairs come in various styles, sizes, and materials, ranging from simple wooden chairs to elaborate armchairs and recliners with built-in massagers. They are used in a variety of settings, including homes, offices, schools, and public spaces. Chairs can be used for a multitude of purposes, such as relaxation, work, dining, and meetings. Overall, chairs provide a comfortable and convenient seating option for people in countless situations.